Kelsey and Mariah, isn't it?
We started.
And which way?
And you guys are anchors.
Kelsey and Mariah / Harry. All right. Shake hands. Make it a fair fight. Come on.
Does everybody have beer?
Yeah.
We do?
So.
You taught me.
1, 2, 3.
On the thing, so I assume they're
Go
okay.
Kelsey, go Kelsey. Am I next?
They're already going.